Dramatic shifts in the climate are underway in the Antarctica that could trigger global impacts, from rising seas to stronger storms, according to scientists from the British Antarctic Survey. The dire warning comes as eminent climate scientists gathered at the Royal Society in London to hear how collapsing ice shelves, record low sea ice and powerful storms are unfolding faster than expected and could trigger knock-on effects around the world.
People think of Antarctica as being remote, very distant, a little bit different from the rest of the world, and it is in many ways. But in reality, the things that we're doing are impacting Antarctica strongly and increasingly so. We know that the ocean around Antarctica, the Southern Ocean, it sucks down a great deal of heat from the atmosphere, including the heat that we've put there from global warming. And we know, for example, that if you put 20 litres of fuel in your car, a litre of that, when you burn it, the heat from that will go into the ocean around Antarctica. And that matters for the ice, it matters for the wildlife, it matters for sea level, it matters for all sorts of reasons. It's undoubtedly the case that we're humans are impacting Antarctica, but it's coming back to bite us, and we really need to know how and when that's going to happen and how that's going to evolve into the future.
Researchers said the Southern Ocean is absorbing a large share of Earth's excess heat from greenhouse gas emissions, reshaping ocean circulation, melting Antarctic ice and amplifying extremes well beyond the polar regions.
Well, we know a great deal, and we know that Antarctica is changing, and the rate at which it's changing is increasing. So we're seeing shifts in the ocean, we're seeing shifts in the ice sheet, we're seeing shifts in the ecosystem there. But there's a great deal that we don't know. We're still trying to get our head around why it's changing the way it is, how it's going to change in the future, and what the impacts will be on global climate, global biodiversity. We know it's going to be profound. We're already seeing signs of these. We know that things like sea level rise are being accelerated because of the changes happening in Antarctica. But what we really need to do is enhance the science so can we narrow down these things going forward and get better understanding of what it means for the rest of the planet.